Hey everyone, welcome back to another thrilling episode. Today, I've got some jaw-dropping news for all you space enthusiasts out there. An asteroid is hurtling towards Earth, and it's happening sooner than you think. Now, before you start packing your bags for an underground bunker, let's dive into the details. This particular asteroid, named 2024 MN4, was discovered just a few months ago by astronomers. It's approximately 300 meters in diameter, which, to put it in perspective, is about the size of 3 football fields. 2024 MN4 is currently traveling at a staggering speed of 25 kilometers per second. That's fast enough to circle the Earth in just over an hour. And get this, it's on a collision course with our planet. But don't hit the panic button just yet. The experts at NASA and other space agencies worldwide are on high alert. They're tracking this asteroid's every move. The good news? They've got a few tricks up their sleeves. Techniques like deflection missions and gravitational tractors are being considered to nudge 2024 MN4 off its deadly path. But the big question is, how likely is this asteroid to actually hit Earth? According to current predictions, there's a 1 in 10,000 chance of impact. While that might sound reassuring, it's still a possibility that can't be ignored. If 2024 MN4 were to collide with Earth, the impact would release energy equivalent to several hundred megatons of TNT. That's more than 10 times the energy of the largest nuclear bomb ever detonated. The consequences would be catastrophic, causing massive destruction over a wide area and having global environmental effects. But here's the thing, humanity has faced similar threats before, and we've always managed to find a way. The Chelyabinsk meteor in 2013, which injured over 1,000 people, was a wake-up call. Since then, scientists have been working tirelessly to improve our asteroid detection and deflection capabilities. So what can you do? Stay informed, support space research and planetary defense initiatives. The more we invest in these areas, the better prepared we'll be for future threats. And remember, while the prospect of an asteroid impact is terrifying, it's also a reminder of our place in the universe. We're all in this together, and by working together, we can protect our planet. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay curious and keep looking up.